In this video, I will consider one numerical on to find voltage between two terminals. Calculate voltage across X and Y in the circuit shown below. This is the given circuit. We are supposed to find the voltage between the terminal X. This is X terminal and this is Y terminal. We are supposed to find the voltage between X and Y, that is Vxy. So here I will consider this is the terminal X and this is the terminal Y. We are supposed to find the voltage between X and Y, that is nothing but Vxy we are supposed to calculate. So to find the voltage between X and Y, first let me calculate the current in this loop. So this is plus, this is minus. I will assume that current through this loop is say I1, and similarly here I will consider current through this loop is I2. So let this be positive, this be negative. So always consider the, we'll assume that the current is flowing from positive to negative terminal. That is, let me assume current is flowing in this direction. Let I2 is current in this loop and here current I1 is flowing. First let me calculate I1. We'll apply KVL to this loop, that is 10 is equal to the voltage drop across 10 ohm resistor is 10 into I1 plus we have 5 into I1, that is nothing but 10 is equal to 15 I1, that is I1 is equal to 10 by 15, that is nothing but 2 by 3, that is 0.667 amps. So current I1 is equal to 0.667 amps. So as we know, the current entering the resistor is always positive, current leaving the resistor is minus. Therefore, the voltage across 5 ohm resistor is nothing but Vx. So here we can say that Vx is equal to 5 into I1, that is nothing but 5 into 0.667, which is equal to, we have 3.335 volt. So now similarly, let me calculate the current I2 which is flowing in this loop. So let me apply KVL to this loop. So I can say phi is equal to voltage across 4 ohm resistor is 4 into I2, that is 4I2 plus we have 2I2 plus voltage across 10 ohm resistor is 10I2, that is nothing but phi is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 10, that is 16I2. So therefore we can write I2 is equal to, we have 5 by 16, that is nothing but 0.3125 amps. So here the current entering 4 ohm resistor, that is here this end is positive, this end is negative. So here Vy is nothing but voltage across 4 ohm resistor, that is we have Vy is equal to 4 into I2, that is nothing but 4 into 0.3125, that is we have Vy is equal to 1.25 volts. So now let's find the voltage between this terminal and this terminal. Now I can draw the equivalent circuit for understanding purpose. So this is point X. So here we have a resistor value which is 5 ohm, that is this is 5 ohm. Here we can see that this terminal is positive, this is negative. Then here we have plus 2 volt. So let me connect plus 2 volt. This is plus minus, this is 2 volt. Then here we can see that there is a 4 ohm resistor. Let me draw 4 ohm resistor. This is 4 ohm, this end is positive, this end is negative, and this terminal is Y. So I have drawn the equivalent circuit. So now here we can see that the voltage between terminal X and Y is nothing but Vxy is equal to, here we have voltage across 5 ohm resistor is, that is nothing but 3.335, that is voltage across 5 ohm is 3.335 volt. So here we have 3.335 plus here we have 2 volt plus voltage across 4 ohm resistor is, we can see that it is 1.25. So voltage across this is 1.25, therefore it will be 1.25. Therefore we can say that Vxy is equal to, it gives 6.585 volts. So this is the voltage between terminal X and Y. Thank you for watching.